Okay, so now that I've introduced you to the basic squat, let's talk about some variations of the squat movement. There's several of them I'm going to show you. Okay, remember the first one is just the body weight squat. Anytime you do a body weight squat, you're either going to keep your hands on your hips and squat down and back up. I like keeping my hands out in front of me because it helps me keep better form. I find that I can keep my torso more perpendicular to the floor when I do this, and I also find that it takes stress off my back. Inhale down and exhale up, and then there's a prison squat, which means just locking your hands behind your head and doing the same exact thing, down and up. This adds a little bit more difficult to it. So that's the basic squat movement with your body weight. Now we can go ahead and make this more difficult by adding some resistance. Okay, so we can take 2 dumbbells and we can keep them right by our side. It's the same exact movement. We're going to inhale down, we're going to exhale up. Now we're adding that resistance. So after a while, you should get to the point where you can make this quite heavy. Okay, now we can easily add to the difficulty of this by making it a weighted jump squat, which sometimes you'll see in your MRT workouts done on Wednesdays. So it's the same exact movement, and inhale down, exhale up, and now we're going to put a little jump to it. And we're going to continue this in a fashion. So I'll knock out 5 quick reps for you. So it's up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a couple important things on this. Exhale up, inhale down. You want to make sure that you push off your heels initially, but at the end of the jump, you are going to drive from the ball of your feet. That's a weighted jump squat. Now you can do the same exact thing without the dumbbells in your hands. And there's a couple different ways to do this jump squat, okay? What I find in our boot camp classes is that most women do a lighter jump where most men can do a higher jump. It's just the nature of the way our bodies are designed. So we'll go ahead and we do a jump squat. It's just jumping up. Same exact protocol as all the other squats. This will really get your heart rate going. Now, you can really accelerate this by bringing it to the next level by bringing those knees up. Okay? So you can see I can jump pretty good for a white boy. So let's see. You can also do the same exact thing with the squat by putting everything in a goblet position. So remember, the goblet position. So I like these. This is my favorite, again, because it takes stress off the back. So it's just an inhale down, touch the elbows, exhale up. Inhale down, drive off the heels, exhale up. That's an introduction to the weighted goblet squat. Now you could also turn that weighted goblet squat into a weighted goblet squat. Jump squat. So again, same exact thing, but now we're lifting the feet up in the air. Exhaling, inhaling. So there's an introduction to all the basic squat movements.